Shadows and shadows and goddamn shadows. Can I play with the controller? Huh? Nanny. Let me check if sports controller. Mostly playable with your controller. Are we good, buddy? How are the stats looking? All right. So that's where the tree is, which was destroyed. Maybe from here or something. I don't think so. Hmm. Oh, there's a pattern. Ha! I see it. I see it. So from there, go one forward, two down. I think I can try to solve it. No? Oh, I can. One forward, one down, left, and then two down, one up, right. No, that wasn't it. That though. Maybe I went too much out. So it will be this, and then maybe I need to go down. Nah, then it will ask me to go left. That can't be it. No. What if I go down 2, then go down 2, and then 1 up, and then that was 2, and then 3. 1, 2, 3. Hey, that was it. Damn, it was from here. So the half is there, and then the rest of the half was here. I was counting it wrong. I went down 2 and then 1. It was 2 down, and then left, and 2 down, and then 1 up, and then 3 out. Okay. Nice. I see your tricks. I see your tricks, sir. Very nice. Okay. Next them all. Next them all be there. Okay, so it's kind of bent. It should have been here. This is the pattern. Big brain. Okay. So we need to see this pattern. It starts from there. Ah, fuck. How I'm gonna see it half? So I think it goes here, then there, and then down, and then 2, then 1, and up, and there, and then there. And then I think 2 up. Okay. I'm shit at remembering. It's gonna be difficult. Just because I need to remember. Damn it. So after this is like 2. Can I exit from 2? Yeah, maybe. So you go there, and then you create a 2. Okay. So, like this, and then this, and then this. Yeah, wasn't that difficult actually. So we're not. It's going in the ground. What the hell? Maybe on the other side? It's blocked. Ah, it's coming here. So again, yeah, this is bent. Okay. So I see the circle here. So that's when I need to start. And I think it's going up. And then maybe this way. And then coming down. And this. I guess this and this. Fuck, it's a bit complicated one. And right. So not sure if I should go straight up or I should go this way. No, it is up. But then maybe it's this, and then you go down, and then 2. Then I think maybe it goes down 1, and then here, and then here. And I guess from there you can only go down. There's no other way if it's a valid solution. Yes. And then 2. Yeah, and then 1, and then here. Dude, I'm crushing it. Bro. I'm just on fire. And there's not gonna be any shadow. No, okay. This is also simple. Okay. 1 up, and then down, and then up, and then down, I think, and then up. It's a bit combined. It shouldn't be combined. Maybe we took wrong. We went up, and then came down. Yeah. And then it has to go up. Otherwise, no, not necessarily. No, because there's a skip there. See? The board. See the pet? Oh, maybe the board is just a bit wonky. You just need to see it from proper place. So we go up and then down. And then up again. So we go up and then down, and I'm assuming since this is up, we have to go up because it cannot be down. If it was bit shifted and it was supposed to be down. Oh, there's another line bit hidden. So I think this whole board is shifted quite a bit down. Okay, then we go straight. Okay. So go up and down, then that line is 1 or 2. I think they're 2. Okay, and then go to the end, then up, then left. Then I would say, do you think it's all the way left? I think no. I think it's here. You go up, and then to the left. And then you meet that one strip that's available. That will indicate here. And then you go right. I think it's the down. And then up. Okay, then it's exit. God damn! I'm so good! Is this opened? What happened? Where did you, I think it's going here. Green line. Green, where are you? Here you are. And we are going very far away. This is open. So go in there. Shit. Oh fuck. Can I close it behind me? Let's listen to
66 times have these eyes beheld the changing scene of autumn. I have said enough about moonlight. Ask no more. Only listen to the voice of pines and cedars when no wind stirs. Rionen, 1711.
Nice. Alright. So we need to solve this. It's gonna be very complicated. Or is it? I see a way. Do you see a way? I see a way. What is the way? This is the way, I think. And then you go here, and then here, here, and then here. I think. And I'm pretty sure it's not this one. Yeah, it's not this one. That would be too simple. Too simple. Maybe we need to open the both doors. Yeah, maybe. Is there any other line that is black? Oh yeah, this one. Okay, we need to open the both doors. Where are you, the other one? So it's going down there. Yeah, let's go get this green. I saw a lot of boards. Yeah, these ones. They are dark. They need to be lit up. Is this salt? Damn, can I see? No. Okay. Okay, this is the board. So, start from here, go all the way up, then this and then down, this and this, this and this. Perfecto. Easy peasy. Okay. Start from here, go here, and then here. Here, all the way. Alright. Easy peasy. Easy, easy, easy peasy, easy, easy. Alright. And I guess start from here, go all the way up there and down and then there, here, I guess. Very easy peasy. Alright, you can start from middle and maybe do, okay, no. Is it a bit shifted? Can I do it from here? I mean, okay, no. Because I was thinking, if that you don't see the shadows, do you have to follow the shadow? That's the big question. Du- 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 du. Maybe I just have to follow the branches. Okay. Follow the branches rather than Nani. Nani. Ah, it's broken from there. I don't go on the broken path. I guess go from here. Because the thing is, it's cut from here, so I guess I have to use the upper side. Mm-mm. Okay, how about this? Ah! All right, all right. I have to be a little bit stupid. Not too smart, and I think the other door is open now. All right. How are we looking now? Do you see the way? I think I see the way. Yeah, I see the way. Is it even writing? No. There's only one exit, right? That's not it. But this is under the bronze, so how can I avoid it? I mean, I can take some creative leads. Yeah, that's not it either. Yeah. Is there maybe perspective difference? Yeah. I feel like I just no, no, right? No. How is it possible? Like the exit is covered where I need to go, where I need to exit at the bottom. Like this place is covered, so uh, This is the tree, I think, that's casting the shadow. Can I cut you? And I think this recording was saying something about the wind and the leaves.
66 times have these eyes beheld the changing scene of autumn. I have said enough about moonlight. Ask no more. Only listen to the voice of pines and cedars when no wind stirs. Rionen, 1711.
Okay. When no wind stirs. So I guess maybe the hint is don't look at the moving shadows. But still, this part is covered, and that's where I need to exit. There is no other exit. Yeah, there's nothing else. So I can go there, but then I mean, the thing is, this door open, this puzzle essentially open, where in the one part I had to avoid the shadows, and in the other part I had to walk on the shadows. So maybe this is a mix of both. If that was the case, I could just walk anywhere. Not quite. I will have to cover the shadows where they kind of make sense. Ah, that was close though. I mean, at least there's a point. True. That's not either. How can this be then? Right here. I mean, this is gonna open up this whole thing. This is the last point in this autumn area. Yes, that is true. Okay, let's rethink it. There's one entry and one exit. Okay, okay. What do we have here? Can he sit down? No? No movement on him. So. Hey. Hey, people. Is there some branch that is broken? Which should have been there, but is not. I mean, if this was broken. It looks like there's a bit broken, but I think that's that's how it's set up. It should be like that mouth thingy. This part. I mean, it looks broken here, but I think that's how it should be. Exactly like this and this, so that's not a problem. And I think I've been following this. You come down there and then no. Like that branch is here and then here and then there. Dude, I am the greatest. So, what I was thinking, don't go over the leaves, because previously I was going over here, and the other kind of branches or the shadows, they look very sharp and they like very square. So I wanted to go over them and avoid the leaves, and then this part where I was missing previously, I was going over this branch. And then I thought, okay, go over these shadows and then the light area and combine with that. Okay. This whole map is done. Where are you gonna do it? Over there. Yes. And okay, we have 4. Ladies and gentlemen, we got 4. Damn, this place is beautiful. It's crazy. It feels so real too. Hey. Haha. All right. That's the musician, that's the queen, that's the king. And I don't know what this lady is doing to that lady, or dude. Weird. Okay. Haha. Hey, people. So, go there. And then left, yes. Oh no. Shit. Okay, that was wrong. How do I undo it? Undo it. Okay. I think I have to reset from there. Yeah, that's a reset. All right, so there's no entry point. I guess wherever we start is the entry point. Then why did I reset? I don't know. I don't know, mate. Okay, so let's start from here and go till here. For whatever reason. Or we can start from here, go here, and then... Oh shit, we cannot do that. Or we can start from here, go there, and then there, and then here, and then here. Why don't I just open all of them? I mean, since there is no starting point. There. Yeah. I mean, since there is no starting point, why not? What's the starting point? Ah, that's the starting point. Damn it. They should show it here. Why not show it here? Okay. So we need to go from here and then up and then this way and this way. Oh, we cannot go up from here. Okay. Then go up and then this way and come down this way and this way. Okay. Okay. I need to double check again. Remembering is not my strong suit. Okay, I forgot. You need to go up. Ten. Yeah. Okay. Right, and then yeah, go straight up and exit. Perfect. What did it unlock? Okay, that's good. What did we unlock? Yellow line, it's going across there. Hey, people. All right. So start from here and then get separate. Hmm. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I think I know why this whole game looks so real. It's because of the lighting. I think lighting is doing huge part. Lighting and the sky. It feels so real. It reminds me of places I knew. Alright. So let's start this. Let's see where we are. Okay, as I expected. And I think I'm not sure, but maybe these whites and blacks, they're not correct. Let's not overthink it. So we need to separate them. Oh, but this one is broken. Oh, so if it's broken, it cannot go. Okay, then I think what we need to do. I think I messed up. Yeah, we messed up. I just needed to come down. We need to separate the colors completely, right? Okay. Okay. Then, I'm getting motion sickness now. That's the only thing that stops me playing this game completely and finishing it in one go. Do they have some settings to help with? Usually that guy knows shitload. Resolution multi-sampling, display. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hey, 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 people. What happened? Shit. Did my OBS is crashing? No? Drop due to network? Whoa. Let me check if we can fix what fixed with field of view. Apparently, wider field of view helps with nausea, and subtitles reticle? What the hell is that? Full screen VSync resolution multi-sampling. Okay. Okay, that might help. There was nothing about the mouse sensitivity, so it has slowed down quite a bit. Yeah, render lag 40-60%. I think I'm gonna restart it. Okay. Yeah, that's better. Okay. Kind of feel like a fisheye. It's okay. No, actually, we can't do that. Alright. What I need to do, go from here and then bypass this. No. Can it still work if I have the right setup and there are some extra pedals? No, I guess not. It was the correct path, right? Otherwise, you could just light up everything and it'd be done. Yeah, I think the path was correct. You just need to separate whites and blacks. Okay. All right. All right, all right, all right. Damn, this is a lot of work. Yeah, fucking not feeling like it. This is too much work. Mm. Sleep. Okay. It's not being triggered. No, it's not. Okie dokie. Na, 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 na. Na, na, na. Na, 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 na. Na, na, na. Na, 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 na. Na, na, na. Na, 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 na. Na, na. Okay, I guess it doesn't have pick and play, but it will have construct. Wanna post construct? No, just construct. How about just construct? Come on. Give me overrides. Da, 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 da. God damn it. Okay, let's go. Look at this. 9. That's not what I want. I want the original stuff where it's originally declared. Damn it. Don't go here. Okay, let's just go look at this. Post duplicate, post load, get bold, initialize. Maybe. Ba, ba, ba. Ba, 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 ba. Update can take protected. Add report. Da, 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 da. Nya, nya, nya. Nerd. Eh,
Aired.
nerd. How's it going, dude? I was just thinking about playing Dota. I was playing this, The Witness. This new area I discovered, it has the, you have to walk over the blocks to make the puzzle. That's just too much work. The other puzzles were nice. Maybe I'll play later, but I also get motion sickness from that, so that sucks.
Oh yeah, the puzzle game made by the guy who made Braid.
Yeah. Yeah. I saw that you also played it. Yeah. That's the one. Very nice. But sometimes very annoying.
I barely started actually.
I got alright, I'm not sure if I should say. Okay, I'll say it. I got until there are 4 beams, 4 laser lights going. So I think that means I have completed 4 regions. So when you complete a region, you create a laser light. It going to some central area. I think that's not a spoiler. It's also in the trailer or somewhere. But yeah, it's very nice, very interesting. Yeah. Have you unlocked some laser, like light or whatever, laser light or whatever it is? The beam, the beacon.
I will play it properly at some point.
Some point.
I heard Blueprints is super nice too.
Blueprints. No laser. I didn't know that.
I didn't go that far.
Yeah, but I've seen your game catalog, dude. You're not fucking playing this. You're not finishing anything.
I finally got Snoop Dogg voice.
Yeah. You have Snoop Dogg voice now. It's, and I'm running it locally on the same GPU. Initially, I was thinking it wouldn't work. It would be too much strain, but it's very nice. It works very. I'm thinking to give maybe not everyone, but most common viewers their own voice, not their personal voice, but like you get a Snoop Dogg voice and someone else gets some other voice. It's not that difficult to do. Can be done. I'm getting a Mac on that. I think I'll be able to do it.
Sounds fun.
Yeah, but I think right now.
Can I have Trump?
Yes, you can have Trump. And yeah, right now my GPU is maxing. At least the memory is up there. 9.4 gig out of 10. $30.80. We are poor.
If you vote for me, I will make America great again.
It's amazing that he takes pauses. Yeah, it's like very natural. Such a nice model. If you want to run it yourself, you also cloned it. The original. What? Where are you? I think it was called Chatterbox. Did I name it Chatter? I'm pretty sure I uploaded it. Is it not public?
It's on your GitHub?
Yeah. Maybe it's this one, stream to chat. Oh yeah, it's this one. Stream chat to speech. So the original is this Chatterbox. This one. And this is the script main pie that I'm running.
Damn, man.
Yeah, it's not much. It's just.
So you made the connection with the Twitch chat, basically.
Yeah. Yeah. So I have this chat overlay. It from this guy Colin Horn. He's also a streamer. And yeah, he has some tools, very nice ones. So you can, I think, use almost anything. The picking up chat, Twitch chat is very easy. So it picks up the chat, I extract it with Playwright and then play the message with the model and generates audio and then just play it. That's all. And that's where the model is being loaded. Chatterbox TTS. Pre-trained CUDA. I tried to run it on Intel GPU because I have a laptop that has the Intel GPU. I kind of got it to work eventually, but it's super slow. On NVIDIA GPU, it runs so nice. Other way. I should do it in initialize. Okay then. Just want to check if it's begin play construct called after underlying slate, which is constructed depending on how the slate object is used. It may be called multiple times due to adding and removing from the hierarchy. If you need call once, even create on initialize. Oh, I guess initialize is better than. No. So create the widget, and then we don't need this, and then add it to the viewport. Let's see if it works. So what I'm trying to do right now is transition the scene. So when the first scene completes and on enter or on spacebar, it will move to the next scene. Should be I think I don't need this. Let's disable it here. This too. Okay, that hopefully should work and not crash the damn engine. Was geht, Junge? User widget, public class, name interface. The declaration. No appropriate default constructor available. Okay. Okay. No worries. We can work without the constructor. Filing code. Suddenly it's taking so long. Fucking hell.
I always found it kind of weird that we separate headers from the logic. Apparently it's for the pre-compiler who simply copy-paste header where you include them. But this feels like manual labor to have to care about that XD.
It's worse than that, dude. Headers are the reason C++ compilation is so slow. Because imagine you have one header and wherever it's used is copy pasted. So if you use one class and it's used in 500 places, you have 500 headers copied. It's not like you create the header, it gets compiled and then it's used where it's used. It's the opposite of that. So the thing that was supposed to make it easier for the compiler or stuff, it's actually made the compiler shittier. Now they do have modules, but module support is very bad. And mostly it's not recommended to use modules. So modules are supposed to solve this all the problems. Yeah, but most of them are not implemented. No, I want to check module support. Yeah, see that red? I mean, you don't need to care about this, I guess, but MSVC is a major one.
Since C++20 is fairly recent.
Yeah. Compiler support modules. Standard library modules. Okay. Yeah, modules. Partial. This is MSVC. MSVC is kind of done, but this is, I think, GCC and Clang. Yeah, GCC and Clang. So they don't support it. Crazy. I thought MSVC was shit, but somehow they're doing a good job. They support modules, so essentially on Windows you can use them. On Linux it's not good idea to use them. That and C++ 26 is I think out. But yeah, the support of 20 is still pending.
I don't know, man. I feel like C++ is dragged back by its previous decisions when you compare to Rust, which feels clean.
Rust, yeah, for backward compatibility, I think I really think they should drop it. Like, they know the most people are not using, they don't want to move to new versions. Like really big projects, they are mostly hesitant. I guess UnrealEngine, they do. They are now on C++ 20. But I kind of feel like they should drop the backward compatibility at some point. Or like create a flag where all the garbage they have. Okay, no. It cannot be fixed, dude. It cannot be fixed. They are so stupid. I was looking at this bit. Damn it, I forgot the name. So I think in C++ 11 or something, they added this bit operation which messed up. It didn't do things properly. Now they added another bit operation and it's just somewhat similar named, but it's different. And obviously they are keeping both of them. So it's not like in the 90s they didn't know better and the things were bad and then, or like whatever, the hindsight problem, all that thing. They're making shitty decisions now. Like iterate over list or vector actually. Like, what the fuck is this? Data.begin, data.end. Every API has to do this to kind of iterate over vector. And these are latest features. And it's not like they didn't have some reference of how the other languages are doing.
The iterators.
Yeah. So fucking stupid. And they cannot fix it. It's just the committee problem. Since they have this committee, it's just stupid.
Ranges.
I think range is also the same problem. It also takes begin and end, doesn't it? Range based loop. Maybe it's maybe you're talking about this, I guess. Yeah, okay. I guess this. Yeah, but that's my problem. It's like there are so many features coming in and they keep just jamming stuff on top of that when they realize they fucked up. The same with the bit operation that I was talking about, and same with this range thingy. Now they realize, yeah, passing it everywhere, begin and then this namespace and iterator long name, it makes really a mess in the code, and it's just so much boilerplate for every single time you have to do it. Like, there's no point to it. Why are we doing this? And then they fix it with some other stuff, I guess. Range based loop. No, this is fine. This is perfect. But this is the loop. I was talking about like using iterators in some standard functions like accumulate or filter or other things. You cannot just pass a vector. You have to pass begin and end. Yeah, see, this is how you're supposed to use it. Begin, end, next, begin, end. First class.
All right, but I think they also introduced a range for this purpose, so you don't have to pass those begin and end.
But I think for these standard library functions, you have to. I think there is no solution for this, at least, as I understand. Like, this is the usage. This is how you have to use it. First class.
Otto is also a weird bird.
Oh yeah, Otto is so fucking stupid, dude. Every single time I'm scared to use it, and whenever I use it, I do check the like key hint, like, okay, what's the type is figuring it out, or costing to, not really costing, but what type does it think it is? But that's why I'm gonna stick to C#. I already have a C# enabled in this project. This window, new window.
It's great because sometimes you have crazy template inside template inside template that you don't want to type down, but then your code is less self-documented.
Yeah, but the problem is it figures out wrong types sometimes. I think I don't remember the exact type, but there is a problem with how it does type deduction. It messes you up, and there are people. There were some talks about it, and they were kind of explaining what really happens and the bugs they had. And now I'm just thinking, now they're gonna introduce another keyword which gonna fix the bugs they have right now, and it's gonna have another problem.
So you intend to use C?
C#, yeah. C# is great, dude. C# is great. Yeah, so you have this Unreal Sharp plugin. For that, you can just write C# and it will have it available make it available in UnrealEngine. C# is like,
is like Java.
nah, dude, nah. Java sucks. Java is shit. I feel like Java has the same problem as C++, but on a very low level. And they don't have that extreme version of the problem. Like, they can't figure out their shit. They're still trying to catch up to C#. And their APIs are so weird. I used a bit at work I had to use. I ended up using Kotlin. But Kotlin is also like kind of weird hybrid of Java and its own language, because you have to know Java to write Kotlin. Kotlin is like TypeScript.
Kotlin is pretty sexy.
Yeah, but when you're using it, you can't just use it on its own. It's like TypeScript. You have to know JavaScript to write TypeScript. That's my problem with Kotlin. I mean, the tooling is pretty good, and the language, I think, overall is nice. But the reason I have to know Java, then I'm like, okay, it's not that great. It's pretty good. I chose to I chose to write Kotlin when I had to write Java. I needed to create a Java plugin for it's the software called Ignition. It's only available in Java. But nice thing about Kotlin is you can just put it in there, and the underlying system.
In my previous job for Android apps, and it was so much cleaner than Java.
Yeah, that is true. And I feel like C# nowadays is the same level as Kotlin.
Fully retro-compatible with Java.
Yeah, that's where my problem is. Then you have to know Java, because in some places I was using some things. I'm like, okay, I guess I can just do this. And then it gave me an error. And then I was looking into the error, and then they were saying, okay, because the underlying Java type is this, that's why you have to do this. Like, okay, why do I have to know that? I thought if I write Kotlin, I don't need to worry about Java. Yeah, but Kotlin and C# are on very much parity. But first part on C# is you don't have to know old .NET framework kind of part, because they essentially rewrote it and it's not compatible with the old one. So the old garbage is just gone. You don't have to worry about that. That's amazing. That's what I really like about it. And it's not like they broke the language. Language is the same, just the underlying system is gone. So they don't have to worry about legacy systems. It's very hard to explain, but essentially .NET framework versus .NET. I hope they have a good, okay, it's a shitty blog post. So essentially what happened, the old .NET, yeah, that .NET framework, that was the old stuff. The new stuff is just called .NET.
Yeah, that's the problem with Kotlin. It tries to be an alternative to Java running on the JVM, but at the same time, they have to reuse the huge, already made libraries and code in Java, because companies won't put the effort to rewrite their code.
But they could have kept running that shit on the old Java part. I mean, see, they did it. .NET did it. They abandoned .NET framework. Like, okay, technically they're still supporting it at the Microsoft level. They're supporting in terms of patches and stuff. But otherwise, it's gone. Like, okay, new stuff, you should not use the old .NET framework. I wish they would have done the naming a bit better. They really suck at naming. But yeah, they abandoned the old stuff essentially. They're like, okay, this is gone. The new stuff is .NET, or it used to be called .NET Core, which runs everywhere on Linux, on Mac, on Windows. And that's the new stuff. If you want to write a new application, just use a new .NET. And everywhere, almost where I have seen, even the big companies like Siemens, they're using new stuff. Like, yeah, old is gone. I think it can work if someone has the plan for it and they kind of has the courage and will to do it. I think they can do it. And that's what I feel like C++ doesn't have. They're never gonna do this shit. I think no one has the backbone to do this. I feel like they're not even gonna put it behind a flag. Like if they were to put a flag like legacy or something, like new C++, deprecates everything that was old and all the keywords and everything, just throw that away. And if you still want to compile, you add legacy flag.
Isn't a company, is it? It's more a comedy.
Yeah, it's a committee, and they are the problem, dude. Oh, dude, it's just so weird. C++. Is it called committee? Group photo. And I feel like everyone who's there has a like credential thing, like, hey, I'm on C++ committee. Look at me, I'm great. I feel like that's why they are there. It's not like they're nerds and they wanna work on the thingy. Yeah, that was 99, and it grew and it grew and it grew and it grew. That's in 2020. Nerds. Yeah, we're missing nerds. Or we're missing nerds and we're missing practical people. Because the old people who are here now, what they want to do, they want to write fucking papers about language features. There's a picture of this guy. This guy, he is writing Herbert Suter. I mean, he has really nice talks and explains nicely. But he mentions quite a bit of papers that he wrote in trying to get some features into the language. And I feel like they just want to write papers and have
them as philosophes, huh?
Yeah, exactly. I feel like they see themselves as scientists of computer science who need to write papers and get some credentials from public cred, street cred, from C++ features. It's not for practical reasons. It's for theory. Crazies. We have C#. We can write C#. Or just C. Just write C. Use C++ compiler and write C. Like the OG. This guy. This is what I learned from him. He uses C++ compiler but writes only C. No C++ features.
No way. I want my smart pointers.
Yeah, smart pointers are good. I would give you that. They're good. Okay. Why are you not running? Why are you running? Why are you running? Oh yeah, we had a crash. Okay. Typing SFX not found. F object cannot be used outside of constructor. Okay. I know what to do.
Oh, Nim, I don't want Trump's voice. I want the voice of the why are you running?
The problem with that guy is I think it's gonna be hard to find a clear sample for him. Why are you running? Or the other guy did. Why are you gay? I'm not gay. You're gay. Yeah, dude. Your message got blocked.
You are gay.
Yeah. Why are you gay? Who says I'm gay? You're gay. Fuck, let's do it. Who needs to work? Why are you gay? Video.
We bring in the studio this morning one of the gay rights activists, Mr. Should I call you Mr? Pepe Julian Onzima. Thank you for coming in.
Thank you for
Good morning.
Morning to you.
Why are you gay?
Who says I'm gay?
You're gay.
You are gay.
You are gay. I need to find his name though. To maybe get more. Wait. How long is the sample that I'm using currently? Where was it? It's about a minute and a half, about 2 minutes. Yeah, minute and a half. I think this is too short. It needs to be a bit longer. It's 17 seconds only. Do you know his name?
That's what she said. No clue about his name.
Yeah, but Snoop Dogg's voice is very calm. I have a sample for kind of, I think, African accent. Let's pause you for a second. But I think it's certainly not the
I
same.
guess you haven't been with a Jamaican. And we are the most faith. It's fretty as hell today. Definitely a stay inside kind of day.
Jamaican. So that's a Jamaican accent, I guess. Of course, it's
Of course, it's calm. Man, I'm smoking every day.
it's okay every day. Damn, it's the Internet Archive. Uganda. Why is this a Uganda? There's an M here. It should be Uganda. Okay. Uganda news anchor. NTV. Priva Maria.
Simon Kagwa Nyala. That's your guy.
Okay. Check. Okay. Now let's audio. Oh, he has his own channel. That would be great.
Now, this is where the real drama started.
There is nothing natural about putting inside that thing.
These are the instruments you use.
She thinks she's a man, but she does not have the equipment to be a man.
No. Pastor. Folks, this space can be weird sometimes. There's been lots of conversation.
It would be nice if he's speaking alone. I guess that's... Maybe we'll have to filter it.
Hello and welcome back. It's a segment of the topical discussion. We're still looking at how whistleblower together with my colleague.
Okay, that's not good.
To be precise, 13 years ago, there was a debate in Uganda about the Anti-Homosexuality Act. The bill then that later turned into an act, it created such a big storm. And a flashback of the show. Gay rights activist, Mr. Should I call you Mr? Pepe Julian.
I feel like he sounded different before. Now he sounds very different.
It turned out the following day he was a man. Pepe Julian Onzima. Today I'm told he's a full mister. Well, let me now recap and do a flashback of the show. And we said, let's go bare knuckle, gloves off.
Yeah, he's speaking very kind of much clearly now. Like that initial thing, what are you gay? That is not there. But let me check. If someone, why are you gay? Sound. Compilation.
We bring in the studio this morning one of the gay rights activists, Mr. Should I call you Mr.? Pepe Julian Onzima. Thank you for coming in.
Thank you for
Good
having
morning.
me. Morning to you.
Why are you gay?
Who says I'm gay?
We bring in the studio this time. Why gay? You are
Bitter to are
Okay, now there's music and stuff. It's gonna mess everything up.
Why are you gay?
who says I'm gay?
You are gay.
You are gay. Yeah, I think this is not gonna work. Voice sample.
Happy birthday, gay boy. And we are proud of you. Stay awesome. Happy birthday.
Okay. They're on interview. That's the full interview.
We bring in the studio this morning one of the gay rights activists, Mr. Should I call you Mr.? How can I describe you? Gay rights activist and an outspoken
Oh, that's good.
gay. Why are you gay? You are gay. Male or female? Transgender. What's that? Homosexual. Both sexes. Now we're looking at the raging debate. Gay rights activists. Why should someone be gay? Well, it's natural. Well, we have Pastor Semper online, an anti-gay activist, to tell us his side of the story. Hello, Pastor. Why don't you sympathize with such people? He feels it's a natural calling for them to be men or for him to be what he is now.
There is nothing natural about using boya and biringanya in your private parts. Eh? There is nothing natural about putting
damn it, I don't have it.
genital inside another man's excretory system.
Okay, that is a problem at the end. Why should someone be gay? Okay, let's do the old school way. YouTube download. Hopefully this doesn't get me banned. Where do I download? Unable to download from anything from the URL. Right. That was a waste of time. Das kann einen Moment dauern. Bitte nicht eklusieren oder schließen. Okay. Why are you gay? Who says I'm gay? You are gay. Yeah. Let's do it here. Why you gay?
I noticed you use random German and Japanese words, sometimes XD.
Yeah, because I'm learning both. And so, Nani? Nani is great. Oh, dude. Have you seen that Nani meme? Oh, this guy. Damn it. Go.
Tell me another way people say mother.
What about mommy?
Okay. Oh, mommy.
Right.
Not mommy. Y'all think really that y'all can take all these words that's the same and just say them different cause you want to? Nanny? Nana? Nani?
Nani? Ah, shit. Sorry, sorry. That was the meme. Nani? Yeah, but it's okay. This guy is better. Alright, FFmpeg should be YUK to YUK wave. Oh, come on. I'm pretty sure I have it. Is Sky on? Really? YTDL GPL static variant master branch. I guess that's the first one. That's the one. Yeah, everything else seems garbage. Okay. Ah, shit. Now I know why it's not available. I think maybe it was because the OBS downloads its own or the YTDL YouTube deal. They override it. And they stopped working. Well, I wasn't working either, so sure. None there. What the hell? Damn it. I should not have cleared it. Was there a force flag? Just so I can see where it installed. Yeah. Installed. Aliases added. Where are they? I don't see them. Usually it just works very nicely. I think maybe it installs in tools. Yeah. No, there's supposed to be a tools directory here. Okay, it's not there. Let's check. Seriously? Great. That doesn't help. I'm really going on crazy tangents here. Okay, it's not the terminal. Let's see if it has some solution. Great, it doesn't exist. Okay, back, full build. Why are you not registered? Here they are. Add author register. Use a command when get info to find the directory paths. Uh, let's just add this. Problems and problems and problems. It won't let me add new one. Okay. Okay, at least that works. User path was not being allowed. Now, FFmpeg. Thank you. Okay.
We bring in the studio this morning one of the gay rights activists, Mr.
Perfect. And uh, yeah. If why UK? restart. I don't have high hopes from this audio sample, but let's see. If it doesn't work, we'll revert it back. Okay, send something if you're still here. If you're with us, give us some sign. The spirit.
I'm here.
Okay, a bit. Let's do something nice.
Also fighting with some installation stuff.
Okay. I think it's pretty good.
Why should someone be gay?
The
Why are you gay? Bitch be told.
Beach Villa. Yeah, I messes up sometimes. I think it's pretty close.
One out you gay, by the way.
Well, not okay, why not?
Why you gay, by the way?
No. I feel like the pauses, they are more like Americans, maybe.
Pretty close.
Yeah, the sound is close, but it doesn't feel like that person speaking. The pauses and the way of speaking, I feel like that's more Western, maybe American mostly. I guess the training data set didn't account for that. Okay, this this message gets blocked.
You are gay.
You are gay. Yeah. Still, I'm gonna leave it for now. Let's see. Maybe I can randomize it to switch between different voices.
Gay.
You are gay. I think it's still recognizable. You can recognize it's that person. But I feel like Snoop Dogg was way better. Because maybe he speaks slowly, so that way of speaking better.
Why should someone be gay?
See, it feels like it's fake. The Snoop Dogg one was feeling much more real. It feels like it's some, like the old TTS model reading some just text. It doesn't know what it's reading. It's just making the voice. Or maybe the sample is not great. It could be that too. The Snoop Dogg sample, I got it from the creator's website.
Yes,
So.
It's pretty cool.
Pretty cool. Okay. So what was the problem? Yeah, the constructor thingy. Let's open it up. So hey, people. This. Typing sound. Search happening. Okay. How about now? Pew, 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 pew. Pew, pew, pew. Right. Okay, it's not even playing. Alright, either way. Can you handle inputs? We'll fix this later. What the hell happened there? No, still didn't work. So goddamn annoying. Yes, and had on native key down. Enter gamepad warning temp log. Okay. Okay then. Okay then. What possibly be reason? Maybe native on key down is not a good event to listen to. I think that was the only thing that was available. On key down on native key char on native key up. Called after a key is paused is pressed. When this widget also child widget has focus. That's important, has focus. If a widget handles this event, the key down will not be pressed to the focus widget, paused to the focus widget. If a widget handles this event, key down will not be paused on preview key down on key char. Called after a character is entered while the widget has a focus. I think I need to do the focus maybe. And preview key down on key down. Why can't I use this? Call after the keyboard controller is pressed when the widget has the focus. handle, play animation, get widget handle. It's not virtual, so how do I override it? Key down and key up. I think maybe I'm doing everything right. The only part is missing the focus. So, in it, focus something, B is focusable. Is focusable. Set focus. Anything else I need to pause? See. Why is the rotation? Whatever. Doesn't matter. Damn. Feel like it's still working. File warning. Okay, not really. What is this? Debugging it. Focus, get only players, set user focus. Does it check is focusable? Get cached widgets if widget is valid. Sports keyboard focus. Besides that, sports keyboard focus, local player, get user index for controller, user set focus, made application, user focus, save widget, set user focus. Oh. Nani, why are you not running? is now. Can we see it properly? See it text widget, your user widget. Why is so slow? Let it call you widget. Can I find focus? Is focusable? Is it true? Unsigned char 0. So I guess it's false. Focusable. I need to set focusable. It's the character, the termination. This is a null character. So being false? Yep. Okay then. They're using unsigned char for booleans. That's something. Yeah, let's close this. We need to that focusable. For that, I think we need a constructor. For that, we need to get the proper constructor. Usage with, I guess this one. Okay. Unit. That should be on top. Damn. Sometimes this widget, Vim widget, Vim plugin, is really stupid. Okay. B is focusable. Does it work? Is deprecated. Reason direct access is deprecated. P is used getter and set a note that this property is only set as the construction and is not modified at the runtime. Please update your code to the new API before upgrading to the next release, otherwise your project will not compile. Okay. So where are the setters? Can we do it? Set focusable. Set is focusable. True. Can I do it in initialize? Or should I do it in the constructor? Let's do it in the constructor. It has pretty good analyzers. It will actually let you know if you should not have done this most of the time. Damn it. Instance got closed, so let's start a new one. Yeah, that is fun about launching Unreal Engine.
Expedition 33.
Did you play Claire? I have not, but I've heard about this game. And it's gonna not launch, and then you just start it again, and then it's gonna work. Just gonna complain about same things. No? Yeah, no, it just worked. But somehow always in the background. Expedition 33. Ah, okay,
It
this
was
one.
nominated Game of the Year like crazy. Won so many awards.
But I have no trust in Game of the Year award, to be honest. After that, Astrobot? Oh, fuck them, dude. I think I saw the game, maybe trailer and some ads about it on Steam. But I don't really get it. Like, what's the game about? That I didn't get it, and I'm like, okay. If you can't really tell, I guess it's not for me. Let's watch the trailer. Where's the trailer? Is this the trailer?
Rated M for mature.
I didn't play Astrobot. I played that one. If you like turn-by-turn JRPG, it's really good, as it adds a very satisfying blocking mechanism.
I have, I think, never played turn-by-turn RPG.
You should never have come. You're only going to make things worse for everyone.
No. She chose to come. I didn't make the rules between you two.
You're fighting to change things.
For those who come after.
See, it's just some love story or some shit. I don't know what the hell is going on. Are these rose petals? And the dude looks so gay.
Right?
I thought I was used to losing people.
Like, what the hell is this? Like, where's the killing and stuff? Where's the blood? It's a French game. What do you expect?
Why are we gay?
See, like, I see the spectacle, but what the hell is it? What are we doing here? Again, and this. Okay, I see, it looks great. That's very beautiful. Amazing job. But what do you do here besides running? Is this a fight scene? Is this the game mechanics, like you fall and or something flows or you jump around things? Like, what's the point of this? Show me something. Maybe this is the boss? Maybe? But do they show it? No. Gone. Okay, that's a fight. I understand. Sure. But then I think it's a co-op, maybe. At least that's because there are 3 players. Yeah. I'm too retarded for these kind of video games, too. I don't understand them. And this is like, what the hell is...
You are really not familiar to JRPG, like Final Fantasy or Dragon Quest.
Nah, forget it then.
Well, forget it then.
I have not played those Final Fantasy. I've been recommended multiple times. Yeah, but I skipped that era. I started from like Mario and kind of those arcade games, Mortal Kombat, Taken 3, and then I just jumped to Need for Speed, Call of Duty, and then Dota. And then I was like, okay, I don't need video games. I have Dota. Perfect. And that looks cool.
Is this true? Maya's with him. We need to go now.
I know it seems absurd to offer oblivion as recompense, but
She'll never paint again.
Yeah, it's not for me. I really tried to give it another chance to just see, like, maybe. No. We have much better stuff. Okay, where were we? I should compile again.
I actually recommended this to a Japanese friend I met in Japan. She loved it. XD.
Okay, nice. Yeah, I guess maybe you need to be familiar with that genre, or you need to try one or two. Because I never played that hack and slash kind of game, Monkey King. But when I tried it, since it was just too famous, and I really liked it. I loved it. Initially, it was so absurd. Like, I had no idea why the fuck people play this kind of game. Like, this is just stupid. But then, yeah, after I just gave it a bit of time, after first boss, it was amazing. Like, I kid you not, my thumb was hurt. Like, there was a wound inside. It wasn't outside the skin, but there was a wound inside the skin, and there was blood inside. And I still fucking kept playing. And in my initial stream, I was like, why do people play this?
Isn't it like Dark Souls?
Yeah, it's tough. It is. But I will say they have intentionally maybe made the first boss very difficult. I think the following bosses are way easier. There are some difficult ones that they come way later. But after you have defeated the first boss, it's really easy. Wandering Wyatt, I think that was the guy. He took me so much time. The hell? Yeah, this guy. Wandering Wyatt.
Dude, Dark Souls is just unfair. It was not made for people who want to have fun. It was made for masochists.
Yeah, fuck those people, dude. I don't want to play that kind of... Yeah, my whole arc is to have fun with video games. If it's not fun, yeah, go fuck yourself. I'm not doing this shit. Those are some crazy people, like... Okay, maybe I shouldn't name him, but it's okay. No one knows who he is.
Dota isn't exactly fun XD.
It is. It is fun. You have to know how to have fun. I know there's rage that comes in from other people. Like yesterday, I was so pissed. I don't know if you were watching or not. I think you weren't here, dude. I'm not in Herald. I think I'm not in Herald, but my teammates were acting like we are in Herald. They had no idea what to do with Chain Frost. I have a Chain Frost on me, and I'm going after Lich, and this other guy, Asap, he just walks by me. He just walks so close to me, and I'm low health here, and he kills me with the Chain Frost. And I'm like, what the hell? How do you not know this? Like, don't come close to me. I have a Chain Frost on me. It's like Dota 101. But okay, you might think one time happens, heat of the game, sure. Then PA afterwards, some other guy has a Chain Frost on him. PA jumps on him, gets him killed, and then jumps on me. With the Chain Frost, and I'm thinking, dude, what the hell is going on here? Like, and no one was even like angry. It's not like they were doing it intentionally. They really didn't know.
That sounds fun. But if I'm not leaving it only.
But if I'm not living it only? That's so stupid. No, but the second time, PA actually died. PA got the other guy killed and then jumped on me or maybe someone else and then died. And then I have that shit.
If I'm not experiencing it, I mean...
Okay. Okay. Yeah. That's one of the recent things that made me really rage. But usually I'm pretty enjoying it. I'm pretty okay. Shows. I wanted to make videos of all the bosses in Monkey King. Dude, this guy was cool. Ah, shit. I wish I had a clip for that. I actually do not have it. Yeah, starts up there. And then go in the jungle. Oh yeah, this fucking guy. He was annoying as hell. And thing is, a lot of time they're like the bosses here, they change their attacks. Like maybe you'll see it here. Okay, this thing. Your message got blocked. Okay.
Being stuck in 1H games with retards is very frustrating. You really have to give up on playing with them to feel relieved, doing your own thing, and accepting the eventual pings from them once they decided to crush 4v5 against their team in random places without objective.
Yeah, I know. But I see it as a learning opportunity. You learn how to not get angry. You learn patience from Dota, like patience from Zao. That's the opportunity there. I wanted to show you some attack. This guy. This thing was so cool that you can essentially pause, freeze the bosses. That was one of the things I really liked and wanted to play this game. That was so nice. No, he does this groundbreaking thing. Hey, legit Gupta. Ich liebe dich. Danke dir. Thank you, sir. How's it going, legit Gupta?
You look at the end of your life on the camera. Hello there.
हाँ जनाब, क्यों नहीं? जब कहा है कि उर्दू आती है तो उर्दू आती है. Well, let's speak in English for everyone's sake. It's better for everyone. Okay.
We got another Pakistani.
Yeah, I think he is not Pakistani. We don't. Yeah, I knew it. We don't. Yeah, we don't have Gupta name. That's Indian name, I think.
I heard Hindi is really close to Urdu.
Yeah, it's weird. We can understand each other, but we cannot read each other's language. It's completely the opposite of Asians.
But you don't write the same.
Yeah. And with Asians, they can write and read each other's kanji and understand it, but they cannot speak to each other, like Koreans and Chinese and Japanese. We are completely the opposite of them in every way. Okay. Come on. Show me that attack. It's the ground breaking. He destroys the ground. And so shitty attack. Oh yeah, that's the one. That's one. Right there. We do speak Punjabi though. Yeah. Both of us. I do too. I mean, not every Pakistani, but Punjabi Pakistanis. So you're Punjabi too? I'm not sure how it works in India. Do only Sikh speak Punjabi, or non-Sikh people also speak Punjabi, like for example Hindus? I had a weird impression Hindu Punjabi too as well. Ah, okay. I think maybe it's got from their Punjabi movies. I thought only Sikhs spoke Punjabi because most of the time you only see them in the movies speaking Punjabi. Yeah, this groundbreaking 2 and 3. So he stopped at 3, but sometimes he does, I think, 5. And that's the weird part. You have to just figure out their attacks. You can't rely on repetition. You can't rely on like, okay, he's going to break the ground.
The pattern changes.
Yeah, the pattern changes. And they also mix and match different attacks. Like sometimes he does the clap after that, and sometimes he doesn't. Sometimes he does other attacks, and the attacks themselves are different.
While out, you would probably like Expedition 333, then XD.
Yeah, maybe. But I already have another game in pipeline to play, which I haven't started yet. Or game. Next, this one.
What's your next game?
I have bought it and I want to play it. It's some weird horror, not really horror, but torture thingy. And bit of inspiration from Aliens movie. Score.
Oh, I saw that. That looks gorgeous but sick.
Yeah. Yeah, that's why I bought it. I was like, okay. All right, bro. Be right back. Sure, dude.
Silent Hill Folk Sick 2.
This guy is really focusing hard on the accent right now. I wonder if the audio improves over time. Okay, should we play it? Too bright. Maybe this works out. Yeah, it's still not working. Damn it. It's so slow. Yeah, I saw the Silent Hill too. Okay, it's not much of a rendering lag. Silent Hill looked nice, but I feel like it's more of a horror game. So, oh no, that's a different Silent Hill. Silent Hill new game. Isn't that the Japanese game? Silent Hill. Where that one girl is walking around. Oh no, maybe that's a different one.
Yes, it's Japanese. Especially the F1.
F1? Type Silent Hill, yeah. Ah, okay.
Type Silent Hill of instead.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's the one I was thinking is the game. Yeah. I feel like this is more of a jump scare. That I don't like. That I'm not much into. I don't mind gore and weird things, but jump scares, I feel like they're cheap. Did you play this one? Exit 8?
Yes, Loven, in VR.
Damn, dude. Oh, in VR, it must have been even harder.
It was a big thing in Japan, apparently.
Oh, really? Wow. I didn't know that. So there's a movie coming. I think it would be a nice movie. Easy and nice.
Finished it. It's fun. You go back if you notice inconsistency.
Yeah, it was very nice. Oh, they added extra stuff. The blood wasn't there. Okay, they added quite a bit of extra stuff. Wait, what I was looking for. Go to the store page. There was a nice game coming up from the same developer. I was waiting on that. The second part of this that I didn't like. It was Exit 9 or something, or Train 9. Exit 9 and then Platform 8. Oh yeah, Platform 8. That I kind of got stuck, and also I felt like motion sickness from this. But either way, there was some nice game developer upcoming. Pale Dots. Was it this one? Date to be announced. No, I guess that's not the one then. Huh, crazy. I really thought there was something from the same developer, maybe. Or maybe it's the publisher. Okay, no, not the publisher.
The VR version isn't made by the same studio, strangely.
Oh, really? That's crazy. So they lost the right to the game or something? Ah, I don't know. Yeah, it was a very nice game. This is also, I'm waiting on this game. It's very nice. It's supposedly, I think it was just one German guy. He was doing his PhD thesis or something, or project, and he just turned that into this game. Something. Now there's a full studio. It was just started by one guy.
Looks great.
Yeah, it's very awesome. Also, the movement and the control speed is so good. I played the demo quite a few times actually. It's so nice. You definitely need to learn more combos and stuff, because you can switch character between fight, and their spells are on cooldown. No, sorry, not cooldown. So their spells are available. So you do this lady. Oh yeah, that kind of movement. It like jumps and then goes that way. That's so good. Yeah, so you do one attack by one guy and then switch to another one and then do the next attack with the other one. Kind of combine those things. Okay, they are adding quite a bit. The demo was very short.
It does look very smooth.
Yeah, it was very smooth, very nice game. I still cannot believe it. This is in Unity. I really thought it would be Unreal. Maybe I should switch to Unity back. This game really wants me to switch to Unity. I really want to switch Unity after watching this game. It's so smooth and very performant, and graphics are amazing. Iteration 0. Oh, there's a skill tree. Nice. 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 That's beautiful. Very nice art. That's my wallpaper. And I wanted to try it out because I thought this was something like Monkey King game. Okay, that would be nice to play. It's very different. The environment kind of looks very much like that. All right, let's get back to work. Yeah, it really would have been so easy to do this whole thing in Unity. But Unity has a problem. It's not very consistent. It has so many issues. And it's super slow to play. To just do this. I mean, yeah, right now my PC is slow down. But if I did that and again did that, it will take 30 seconds. Legit. Between iteration, you don't change anything, you don't do anything, you just play, stop, and then play again, 30 seconds. Or sometimes 25, 20, same point. And it's like, why, how, why? I mean, I can buy a plugin that is hot reload for 30 euros or something. It's So stupid. The basic stuff doesn't work properly. I still cannot make this work. So focusable, true. This is something else. You create the widget, and then set focus, add to viewport. Maybe we need to do focus afterward. Once it's added to the viewport, kind of makes sense. Then you can do focus once there's maybe. Let's see. Nada. Oh, that's annoying. Yeah, that is true. That is true. What? Wait a minute. Where's our Uganda man? Ah, took you so long. What the hell, dude?
I feel like Unity made its way by making things easy more than by being a great efficient engine.
Okay, Uganda man. Let's. Every few days, I have a regret of going Unreal. Then I rerun the Unity again. It takes forever to start the IDE, and it takes forever to run the project. But actually, the thing is, the way I'm trying to use UnrealEngine, I think it's not supposed to be used that way. At least for faster development. I'm trying to write everything in C++, and it should not be that. Did you see the load? It's like chunking just to load the UI. Are you crazy? And the thing that wasn't working on this last time, I think, was it here or in the... Yeah, I applied the material to this, here. Yeah, this material isn't working. It's supposed to be a shader to give a CRT effect. That's right. Porting, rebuilding, blah, blah, blah. And no display, no camera's rendering. There is the camera, dum-dum. There is the camera. Canvas overlay, canvas, main camera. Does it work now? Okay. Somehow it's fast now. I don't know what their problem is. Like sometimes it really, like you just run it and it shows you timer, like waiting 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds. Right now it's quite fast. I mean, it's slow, but it's fast. Maybe I should switch to Unity. It's very tempting. Whenever one of the engine doesn't work, I'm like, okay, let's go back to the other one. Canvas overlay, let's remove this. Shader channel normal and chat tangents are most often used with overlay camera. All right, it's working great. Only my shader, the CRT shader isn't working.
Can
you hear me? Maybe I can just apply a post-processing shader and then curve the whole camera. Event system, canvas track. Game object, effects. Volume, rendering, vertical projector. What was it? Volume. Effects. Particle system trail line, 3GLJS, post-processing volume. Not really volume. Let's check with our trusty friend. Unity 6 UI canvas CRT shader. To apply all UI. Okay, to apply the CRT canvas. All UI UGUI preferred methods. Set canvas screen to, yeah, I tried this part. Screen space, camera, assign main camera, use full screen, post-processing, CRT. Oh, no, I had to try the other one, CRT shader. Is a full screen post-processing, CRT shader, example, Y, URP full screen, shader graph. Or S is like retro, CRT shader. That's something really nice about Unity. There's just so much plugins and assets and stuff. I mean, I don't need it to be this crazy, but updated for Unity 2020. For now, uses full screen graph. It's really holy moly. That's a big graph. Alternative for UI only. Add a full screen image child to the canvas. Stretch it. Fill. Create a canvas shader graph, the material effect. Curvature, assign the image. Use mask or stencil for stub area. I think I did try it. It kind of creates the background screen, but it doesn't really apply effect to the text. Source material, I think I can apply it here. Yeah, this is the one. No, it's nothing. Block container. So transparent. Ah, the styling sheet. I was doing something there. This was super easy. So they have a kind of a variant of CSS. It's not actually WebView, but they parse CSS.
Wait, how do you transition your game from one engine to another like that?
By being really, really dumb and writing everything from scratch in both. That's how you do it. Because I can't really decide which engine to go with. So I had an episode where I'm like, fuck Unreal, I'm just going back to Unity. I don't want to do this. It crashes all the time. There is C++, it's compile and blah, blah, and errors are hard to detect. So I come back to Unity, write everything that I already have done in Unreal, then eventually Unity starts slowing down. Then I'm like, fuck this shit. I cannot iterate over it. And then there's so many different ways to do one thing. How do you know what to do? And just screw it. I'm going back, and you cannot control much. You can't just write code for everything, like in Unreal.
Frustration is your energy to do twice the same thing.
Frustration is, yes, yeah. That's where the motivation is. Stupid. Okay, yeah. Background color. Maybe we should make it transparent so we get the color from the. Does it have transparent? Yes. Okay, perfect. Any other color? Text. Okay. And it's not just this first scene, dude. I have replicated both scenes. Wait, how do I load this? I think this one. It's this one. Let me show you the other one. The other like level or scene. This is also replicated. So this is the main level where both things. And there's a volume and volume-based light reflections that's coming from this, and point light, and there's like quite a bit of stuff in here, which I have replicated in both places. I'm so retarded. I really should stop doing that and focus on one thing. So what was I doing? Yeah. So the background, it has the CRT material now. Effect should work, and the canvas. Not really. Nice. Kind of weird. materials. What? The shader material is not here. Shader UI. Shader UI. How about if we just do shader though? I think that's not gonna work. Okay. Okay, what was the suggestion? Add a full screen image. I did that. Create a canvas shader material for CRT effects. Right, shader for second option. Scale line, curvature. Yeah, I think it's the same. But still, let's try it. Shader, this one. Nani? Fixed 4, float 2, or half 4. Use the update for Unit 6, your built-in. Why didn't you do it before? Dum-dum. Ah, for fuck's sake. Again, it's fixed 4. Compatible with your built-in. I am writing a European. Fixes includes unities. The G include. Does it do it? Yeah. Why is that not found? Can't find unity in the search box. Unity. No. Start compiling and maybe it works. Did it work? No. Okay. Yeah, that did not work. You are stupid. Let's try Gemini. Right. Unity. Unity 6. Unity shader for background image on canvas. Okay. The shader core HSLS. Sure. Oh, fuck's sake, what's the problem here? Why they keep including that? Fix for unrecognized character. So type this with a low precision 11 bits use is no longer supported by LHS. You should use float or half. So the fix for bit float 4. And update the update of V2F. Out of properties exposed. Okay, that looks pretty nice. Let's try it. Sato, very Sato. Here the interior, the background. The shader is nice, correct, material is correct, it's being applied correctly. What is your problem, mate? How about, can we make it transparent? So may I? Material is pretty good. Screen curvature, intensity, get. That's the problem. And this is like trying to do some specific thing, and it suddenly is just so difficult. Like why this is not being applied to this image. It kind of looks like it's being applied, but then where's the effect? Is there errors? Show me some error or show me something what I'm doing wrong. But no. And you cannot just look at the code because there is no code. Code is not available. Can't do anything. It is what it is. You're on your own. At least in Unreal, you have the code available. You can just go in the C++ code and just look at the problem. Look at how it should be.
Well, that's the problem with black boxes in general.
Yeah, exactly.
It's awesome as long as it works.
Yeah, 100%. That's my problem right now with Unity. At least with Unreal, everything you have available. Like I have learned so much of Unreal in past week compared to Unity. But the problem with Unreal is that you just need a lot more to learn. Yo, Mike the Mad, how's it going? But I think I added your username to the it is there. Okay, your username is working, but I think yo was maybe too short for it to produce audio. If you would like to
Is he Snoop Doggy Dogg?
No, this is a different Snoop Doggy Dogg. Okay. Bagare, bagare, baga, baga, baga. I forgot the name of this guy again. Damn it. You did search it. I wanted to tell Mike the Mad what's the voice we have today. Uganda Simone Kagwa. Yeah. No. So today this guy who's speaking is Simone Kagwa Nayala. This guy. Why are you gay guy? He's speaking today. To read the messages. DTS. Ah. The image background for the canvas, but everything is black. And the text and no effect is being displayed. What could it possibly be? Is behaving as if no texture data work within the curvature, logic clipping, anything. In Unity, image and raw image pass their texture to shader via main text, but if the UVs are not handled correctly in the screen space, or if the main text isn't assigned properly in the material, you just see the black bar.
I'm pretty close to Snoop. I can roll a blunt in 30 seconds.
Yeah. Now okay. What I was thinking, I should put your voice to Snoop Dogg, because previously I was running the Snoop Dogg. But I think I will have to instantiate two models, which I don't have GPU memory for that. And I'm already feeling my PC slow down a bit. So, yeah, see how long it took. So maybe not. Maybe, yeah, because the model is loaded before and then I have to provide the prompt. I think maybe I can do it. How are the random numbers in Python? I think it's just a random function call. Python switch between two randomly. That's okay, not bad actually. That works too. So it would be and this is, I think, Snoop. Is that how I named it? See, Jetter. dash Snoop. Okay. All right. Now we restart this, and hopefully it should switch between Snoop Dogg and Why Are You Gay? Randomly. All right. Let's try it, if you guys may. Yeah, what are the fixes? Good. You might be seeing the price of using in your layer. You make sure you have actually a sprite assigned to the source image field. Empty text 2D samples default to white pixels. If your tint is dark, that might appear black. Curvature is set to too high, above 0.3. The clipping. I don't think that's the problem. There you go. Now is 0.1. Nope. There's nothing. Okay. Since you guys not gonna try, I'll try something. Who is this? Is this Why You Gay or Snoop? Ah, shit. Random is not defined. Ah, damn it. Import random. Oh, not importing. Yeah, that was disgraceful. Try it again. Okay, should be running now.
Who is this? Is this Why You Gay or Snoop?
Okay, this is Why You Gay. Wasn't Snoop. Oh, at least it's working. If still belongs to this, turn the curvature to 0 in the inspector. If the image appears, your curvature math was simply
Random
pushing.
what?
Random what? Hopefully it switches. It's not always. We should see Snoop voice.
We should see Snoop voice.
Still? That's the third one in a row.
Random fail.
Should work. I think it's okay. Random fail. Yeah, random has failed randomly. Shit. Let's try Python import random.
Failed at being random. Please keep the random predictable.
Okay, there we go. It worked. I was worried here for nothing. Finally, we got a Snoop Dogg. Snoopy Snoop. So now we need to fix the shaders. Why am I doing it Unity? Just wanted to try it out. That's why. Story. Because things are so easy in Unity if you know how to do them. And obviously black screen. Damn you. Damn you to hell. Okay, screw Unity. We don't need Unity. Who needs Unity? Not me. Where is my beautiful Unreal Engine? Yeah, it will not launch the first time. You have to wait and just try it again. Then it launches, obviously. Why would it launch the first time? So, Mike, you were late. I mean, in the conversation. So I wanted to catch you up. So I actually have my game almost in same stage in both Unreal and Unity. Oh, so dark. Let me and I was trying to fix I was trying to get the input to work, and since it's not working, because who knows why, and I'm being stubborn and want to do everything in C++, at least for the first scene. A bit too loud. So I got frustrated. I was like, okay, fuck it. We're going back to Unity. So that's why I was checking out Unity again. Now, since the Unity shader doesn't work easily, now I'm back to Unreal. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna complete the game. I'm just gonna keep switching between engines. No, but I think I have a the AI had a aneurysm.
Play Engine Pawn 2?
Can I play Engine Pong? Not sure what that is. Because you're also working on Unreal. Okay, I remember now. Sorry. Yes, absolutely. You can play.
It's the game where you bounce the ball back and forth.
I knew. I just thought maybe it was some engine or some engine called Pong. Yeah, but no, I got it. Okay. So, set clipping, cursor, focus. As user focus. Set focus. Desired focus widget, keyboard focus. And also let's set the user focus. Set user focus. I guess for user focus, you need to provide the user. Expected. Player controller. Get owning player. Okay, then it's the same. Okay, then we don't need this set user focus. Okay, key in this focus and keyboard focus. Alright, I can try with this. Maybe it will work. It didn't look like it triggered. Okay, build. See, that was really fast now. Sometimes it messes up. It's a bit slow. It's very slow. It's okay. Just trigger an event. Come on, just one event. That's all I need. Logs. No, nothing. God damn it. I'm very certain this widget is working. I mean, that's why we can see something on the screen. And it is working. That means all this code is running. We just need this to run on native key down. What could it possibly be? User widget. So widget not being triggered. Android, Unreal, how to get mouse input at native. Key down function widget. Warning, a keyboard is pressed. Do I have to call super? On native key down. It's called here. Maybe that's the problem. That would be very stupid if that was the problem. But again, it's C++. What can you expect? And F3 play. Ahmed Ahra. Okay, that wasn't it. You need to handle it via native mouse commands, not keyboards. On mouse button down, mouse button up, mouse button move, on, key down. Okay. 2-3 hours. Been some time. I think I'm gonna take a break. This is not getting anywhere. And I'll ponder on my engine choices and we'll be back and I'll play hopefully some game, maybe even Scorn.